be unboxing and reviewing Gamer Supps Creator Cups of Swagger Souls. Warning, some parts are different speeds in attempt to show details. You can find a link to their website, my socials, and my Discord that gives you free stuff and our Macari in the description. My order came in a brown box that wasn't damaged, so that's a good sign. I placed my order October 24th, 2021. It arrived November 1st, 2021. So it was a fair time frame and good service for something that I ordered on day one. When I first take out the cup, I noticed the cup is only protected by being covered in plastic. There is a brown dot on the cup as you can possibly see, but it's just something stuck in the plastic. So the product itself is still clean and new. I would say shipping and handling is good. Not sure why they use a medium-sized box for one cup and one envelope. I personally would put items to protect the order in the empty space since it is a big plastic cup rolling around everywhere in a box. But if you have a thought on why they did that, leave a comment down below. In case you cannot see the cup that well due to the speed, there will be pictures at the end of the video. I hope you stay tuned for that. The envelope came with 5 items. One is the Swagger Soul white and black Waifu card with the QR code on the back. The second is the Gamer Supps card with the information on the front and on the back. And lastly, it has came with 3 flavors, which is blue ras, pineapple cocktail, and misfit melon. All of these have the supplements facts on the back, and each one can be used for 2 servings. The instructions for the Gamer Supps is pretty simple. Basically, you pour water into the cup, then pour the powder, whichever flavor you choose. I'm using Misfit Melon because it's green. Once you are done putting in the flavor of your choice, you basically put the piece back inside, put on the lid, make sure it's closed tight, and you just shake, 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 shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake and shake and shake until your heart is content or until there's just no more powder. I really like the black and white waifu card and the cup art and how the cup is transparent. Goes nice because the Misfit Melon green color matches the green color of the cup. I haven't tried the Misfit Melon flavor because it's not my cup of tea, but their cotton candy flavor is really good. If you want me to make a video that has the cotton candy flavor, let me know. Link to our Macari, the Discord, and my socials are in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video, and here are the pictures I promise. Bye!